Hi guys.
Hi guys. This is 4 a.m. right now.
Yeah.
Literally 3:45. And if we told you that we've not slept since yesterday, we came back from a boot camp 2 days ago.
Yeah.
And we've not slept since Monday.
Yeah.
And I mean, all through the night we've been packing our loads, and
so is it stressful because we had just one day?
Yes, it's been stressful. But anyway, we're done. We're about to take off. Our flight is 6:30 a.m. to Calgary. So Calgary, here we come. Yes, so yeah, that's really it. Really tired.
I'm so tired.
I'm sure you can tell from the way we are sounding.
In fact, we downloaded some movies on our phones, but those movies
maybe I will sleep throughout the 4 hours trip.
Because we actually need to sleep.
Yeah.
And before it was even time for anything, I was so tired today.
Yeah, for some you had some strange plans.
I was still feeling so tired, like
it is well. All right, so Calgary, here we come. We'll see you in a bit.
Yes.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night.
I'm so tired. As I mentioned earlier, I reiterate.
Almost.
Insérez la boucle dans la pince et ajustez-la à votre hanche. Pour la détacher, soulevez la partie du haut. Le Boeing 737 possède
just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna light it up. Tonight, we gonna light it up, baby. Tonight, we gonna...
Touchdown, baby.
Yeah, here.
Touchdown, Calgary.
What it looks like there's some sort of circus.
Circus. It's so crowded. It's actually crowded. Some people are trying to go like that. Anyway, right here. It was a smooth flight. And it's already -13 right now. So
I think the rest of the week is going to be a bit more, like -5.
The next week will be like -20, -25. Yeah. We're gonna be all right.
Race for impact.
We're gonna be all right. Okay.
Alright, guys.
Let me call our host. And pick us up.
About this song now.
Yeah. Here we are in the land of Calgary. Fellow host, are you shy?
I'm camera shy.
Hey, wait, that's why your YouTube channel did not blow. You need to go back to that.
It's not working. I don't talk about it. It's not working. It's not working. I think it's broken.
You started a YouTube channel and you didn't continue because you're camera shy.
It's not working. It's not working.
I beg. Don't worry, I'll give you coaching and mentorship. Yes, Calgarians. What do you? The sun is just see. You guys have plenty sun, but you have plenty snow. Even from the airplane, like when we look down, there's some places
white,
thick snow, and then some cracks. I'm like, God.
That's like we have water, so.
Anyway, our hosts, they are big people. We know that we are in good hands.
We're not big people.
No, don't talk it again.
They are carrying rumor.
I will not just tell them the kind of car we are inside right now.
They are carrying rumor.
So that they will not come and look for my address and Yes, so good to see you. Good to see you. Yeah. When last did I see you, sir?
2017.
No,
2017.
2018 January.
Now.
At Joel's birthday.
Came for hey, remember
that was the last
party
one.
in the
That was
office?
the last one.
Yes. I still have a photo from that event. Yeah, I do.
His memories, me, I have. I remember. I think I remember what you wore, Seth.
No, me, I only remember my was him.
I can't wait to meet Mayowa and Miku. I think it's school now.
No, they want to school.
Oh, I can't wait to meet them.
We want to pick them together.
Awesome.
Yeah, and it's too bad. Mayowa's concert was last night.
Yeah. What did you do?
I was thinking about like, oh my God, they could have just shifted it by a day.
And the uncle music is here. Bye. But the piano that you have, you didn't move it from your former house.
That piano.
That
piano is work.
We'll go and carry it. We'll pay clothing pound.
Piano movers. Yeah, we actually have to find the piano.
Big woman now. Why they do like this? Pay this money. Spend this money.
This Christmas have finished me.
Which guy finished you? By the way, let me do quick Ipolongo. Have you heard of Captured with Love? If you are in Calgary, you know. Captured with Love. The capture is with a K. K for capture.
And the E is double E. The E at the end.
Don't worry.
We have to misspell it so that you
know that only what you need.
Wow, what difference here?
Yeah, but to be honest, I really love your work, your business. I think I've told you before.
Photography.
Yes. Photography and all those things. I absolutely love what you do.
Thank you.
By the way, I'm getting a free December photo shoot, family photo shoot.
Even me, I don't have pajamas.
I'm all around pajamas. So, Captured with Love. Free shoot.
I'm going to Owaku.
Free shoot for the Stalwart lovers because I don't give you free publicity.
Oh yeah, now. Did you
I'm not
snapping. If you don't have pajamas, I'm not snapping.
No, we'll go and buy. Really?
Out of stock.
We didn't even see now.
We
didn't see you. In fact.
And
the pajamas I was seeing in Walmart, they were just terrible. Literally, it's like sleeping pajamas. Go and shake pajamas there, maybe she photo shoot. Yes.
I still have.
Maybe we'll order from Amazon.
Amen.
All right, guys. See you when we get home. Look at the camera.
Or maybe it's Aki that is just bash.
That gave you that vibe, baby.
Say hi to the camera.
Say hi, guys. Welcome to my channel. So actually I'm meeting Migu for the first time. I've met Mayowa. Okay, you guys have not met Mayowa. I'll introduce Mayowa later. And I've seen her so many times on her mom's WhatsApp status. I feel like I know her already, but seeing her right now, she's just such a cutie. Such a cutie. You know you're a cutie, right? Every drama you have said that this girl has is true. It's true. Drama queen. High five. Yeah. Are you happy to see Uncle Michael? Awesome. Yo. We out here in the cold. Yeah.
Hi guys.
What's up? So we've been in Calgary for 3 days. That is to say we not go out.
And I've been the one busy, Sha.
Yeah, Sabi has been busy, but at least now she's free. We are both free. I mean, technically, to some extent. So, we're going to Rec Room with our maybe hosts. You guys have met maybe already. I'll show you taller in a bit. Everybody, meet my ball of life. MD CEO, let's not call it out. Our Lakbara of Calgary. Okay, we are here. Oh yeah, now what's up? Say hello.
We are here, man. On the line, man.
Alright, man. You queen and more. Alpha. How about this shot? Yes, have to remove this egg. Show them the egg you have to.
Guys, it's not me and them that will eat this nonsense. Can you see this? It's not me and them. Oh,
No, put it here. I'm your husband.
No, don't make it now.
If you see me complain, I'll collect it.
Hi guys, so we are going for the meet and greet with Pastor Kingsley and Pastor Mildred in Okonkwo in Calgary. So they've been on a tour in Canada. They've been touring cities around. Okay, so we're going for the Calgary edition, and yeah, we are literally driving so slowly right now. There's so much snow on the road. We're driving our host car. There's so much snow on the road. And it's so cold. It's about 19 degrees right now. Okay, I think like, the car is saying 17 like degrees too. It's not. It even feels like minus 31. It is minus 19. It's minus 19, and it feels like minus 31. Because of the cold, because of the wind.
See me inside the car seat I'm wearing.
Yeah, so it's really cold. Actually, it's really cold. Sorry guys, don't mind our Google. We have to allow it to talk, so that we don't make any mistakes.
This is our first time driving.
So look in Calgary. So looking at the map and also hearing it, that combination is really good. Road, yeah. All right, guys. So we'll just take you guys along on the journey. You know, maybe bits and snippets of the event. We'll show you and stuff. All right, guys.
Okay.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye. Agubu is so focused. He's so focused, and he's driving so slowly.
Can I come and cause trouble now?
Ah, yeah, baby, I'm taking the wrong exit. I'm taking the wrong exit. Sorry, don't worry. Let's see if it's a route too.
Pastor Kingsley.
Doctor.
What else, experts?
Yeah, we're going back after Christmas.
We're actually from Toronto. So we'll be in Toronto by yeah, but we know that we'll still be in Canada, so we'll just join two things out here. So it's nice to meet you in person. Thank you so much. Welcome. Thank you.